And this video will show you how to deposit money on Binance with your Wise account. Of course, Wise doesn't support the cryptocurrencies and you can't directly deposit crypto from Wise to Binance. But there is another method what you can do, and in this video I will explain you in details. First of all, you need to log into your Binance account, and in this video we will use P2P trading to deposit money from Wise to Binance. So we need to hover over to trade in the top menu and click on P2P trading. First of all, we need to select buy because we want to buy the cryptocurrency with Wise. Then we need to select the currency. In this case, I will select the USD. And after that, we need to select the cryptocurrency we want to buy. Most likely you want to have the USDT, so I will choose the USDT. After that, we need to click on all payment methods, and in the search we need to write Wise and tick on the Wise. After that, we need to find the good exchanger who is exchanging money from Wise to Binance. These are the transaction durations. So in 15 minutes after you will send money from your Wise account to his Wise account, he will send the cryptocurrency to your Binance account in 15 minutes, guys. So as you can see, all of them have got this period of time, and here are the ratings. I suggest you to choose the person who has got a lot of orders and rating more than 99%. For example, let's choose this person. He has got more than 1300 orders and his rating is 100%, guys. So let's click on buy USDT on the right side. Then you need to choose the amount of USD you're going to send from Wise to Binance. The minimum in this case is 300, for example, 300 USD, and we will receive 296 USDT on our Binance account. So this is very good exchange rate. After that, we need to click on payment method and choose Wise, then click on buy USDT. And now we have got 15 minutes to send $300 to his Wise account. So we need to use our Wise account and send him $300, and in maximum 15 minutes he will send us 296 USDT on our Binance account. Here is the chat with the seller. He is online, you can chat with him. So as you can see, you can get his email from the chat, guys. So you need to ask his email address, he will answer you. Also you can ask about the transfer details. After that, you need to transfer money from your Wise to his Wise account. Then you need to notify him that you already made the transaction. You can also click this button, transfer it, and notify seller. And as I told you, in maximum 15 minutes, he will send the money to your Binance account. After he will send the money, you can go to your wallet, go to spot account, and right here you will see your wallet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.